Let's take a look at this 1940 Cadillac Series 60 touring sedan. Now, I would categorize this one as a running project, I guess, if you will. You can see paint on this does show its age, obviously. Now, there's a positive to that. If you take a look at some of the spots where this paint is missing, first off, and look at how solid that is. This is actually an original California car delivered in California. I'm going to get into that in a little bit, but I want to show you some of these spots where this paint is missing. This, it's not filler behind it. It is metal. I'm not so sure some of this isn't the original paint, but look at that. How many times do you see that rusted out down in the bottom? So basically a nice starting point project. Look at this. Not rusted out. Nice starting point project. It does run. We're going to fire it up. I'm not going to drive it or anything. Brakes need some attention. But again, look at solid that is. That is not filler behind the paint. The other thing very interesting about this car, it does have the sunshine roof. That was a factory option. Now, that also needs some attention to be working properly. But there's only 1,500 of those made between 1938 and 41. So that tells you how rare this car is with that sunshine roof. There's a copy of the sales order. This car went to Don Lee Cadillac in Los Angeles, California. So that's how we know it's original California car. Probably explains why the paint is baked some, but very solid underneath. Go ahead and take a look at the front chrome. Grill, headlight, surrounds. There's also miscellaneous parts pictured in the trunk. So feel free to take a look through the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Again, you can see where the paint is deteriorated on the hood here, but again, metal underneath it. Interior has had a little bit of reupholstery work, but not bad. You want to take care of the outside, do some TLC, keep this on the inside till later. Great. If not, take it all the way. And there's still pictures of this car. Oh, I suppose 80, 90 still pictures on our website. The other thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate first, though. Take a look at the rear chrome. Chrome not bad on this car. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, 346 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a manual transmission. There's also a 1940s Cadillac data book that will go along with this. Let's go ahead and fire it up, see if she'll pop right off for me here. Just look at that steering wheel even. Those are getting to be like hen's teeth. Door panel. So interior really does not show that bad. Sunshine roof will need a little TLC, but other than that, headliner doesn't look bad at all. Let's go ahead and fire this up. So of course, key, let's turn it on here, or push the starter here. I don't think it's really gonna need any gas. Maybe it will. Well, gotta get a little gas to it. There we go. Stock looking dash. Just make sure we're in neutral. I'll let you see the engine bay. Hear this thing run. Man, that door closes nicely. Look at this. Listen to them. Don't sound like doors closing when the car's nowadays. 346. Cutting right along. All right, now of course the release with the hood. This emblem right here will lift up. It's going to take me 2 hands, so I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood open, show you that engine bay. There it is. Of course, these would be considered a flathead V8. 346 cubic inches as paired with a manual transmission. Right there you can see the trim tag, your body tag on it. That will be in the still pictures. There'll be some other stamping from this car in the still pictures. And again, so I would consider this a running project. Brakes need some attention, so we're not going to take it out for a spin or anything like that. But remember, original California car, if you're looking for a project, turn into a rare car. Street rod it, bring it back to original. It does have that sunshine roof. Only 1,500 of those made. And these pre-war cars were 1938 till 1941. 1940 Cadillac Series 60 touring sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there, and remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Give us a call, 507-386-1726.